Assembly. Now I welcome Speaker of the House.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now the House goes for roll call and attendance.
Yes, all the ministries are present. Thank you.
Honorable members of the Telangana Youth Assembly, today this House gathered to discuss youth and policy reforms of Telangana 2047. And now let us start with opening statements.
Good afternoon to the Honorable Speaker and other dignitaries. The Ministry of Telangana Transport is the state government body responsible for regulating all-round transport, managing vehicle registrations, collecting taxes, issuing license, enforcing motor vehicle acts, ensuring road safety through services like T-app for digital documents and online permits, focusing on computerized citizen services. Key function and services are vehicle management, licensing, taxation and permits, enforcement, digital initiatives. Thank you.
Next, proceed.
Honorable Chairperson and respected all members, the Telangana government's Harita Haram program show us how planting trees can change the future. But our campaign is successful only when it becomes a habit. If each child plants 10 trees, our state will be a forest by 2047. Green Telangana is not just a policy. It's our promise. Telangana Vision 2047, Telangana Racing aims for a green, prosperous future by achieving, focusing on clean energy, 139 GW power goal, renewable climate, smart agriculture, green industries and smart urban system. Well, in 2047, I want to see Telangana covered in green forest, clean rivers and pure air. We already have Harita Haram, but let's make we the student of Telangana are not too young make. A difference we can start. Eco Club. Plant trees, reduce plastic and spread awareness in our communities. Every small action counts. A bottle saved, a tree watered, a lesson shared. If each child becomes a guardian of nature, Telangana will never lose its green. The future is to protect our farmers, are the real green warriors of Telangana. They work with soul, sun and rain to feed our state. By 2047, we must support them with organic farming, water saving techniques and eco-friendly fertilizers. Let's promote farm to school programs so children learn to value from produce. A storage farmer men of storage future. When field are green, Telangana is golden. When I close my eyes and imagine Telangana is 2047, I see green field, green rivers and smiling children breathing fresh air. A Telangana where every building has a trees in front, every school has a garden and every citizen cares for nature. This dream can come true if we act today. By planting trees, reducing plastic and protecting our forest, let our generation be remembered at we built but for what we perceived. Thank you.
Next, proceed.
Honorable Chairperson and respected member. science and technology that give initiative will improve air quality and support EV. Additional has signed moves 5,600 MW of fiber in biogas project expert to attract 29 crore in investment and prevent 2,600 million tons of carbon emission over 25 years. In a policy move, Telangana has employment 100% road tax waivers for electric vehicle to boost adoption and promote a sustainable transport. This has significantly increased EV registration and Telangana's leadership in India's green mobility transition. Look around, plastic bottle, vapors and garbage fill our street. But what if waste could be turned into wealth? The sun shine bright in Telangana. Let's turn that sunlight into power. By 2047, every school and house can run on solar energy. We must ask LED light, electric buses and renewable sources to cut pollution. Saving energy is like saving money for plant. Our smart Telangana will not just grow, it will glow with clean energy. Thank you.
Next, proceed.
Good afternoon, respected speaker, honorable speaker. I want to draw your attention to something we all see about, rarely speak about child labor. Every child labor deserves to play, learn and grow a safe environment. Yet many children are forced to work in homes, shops and factories to survive. This is not just unfair, it's a violation of their basic rights. Let's work together to spread awareness and ensure that no child is denied a happy childhood. Thank you.
Next.
Honorable Speaker, respected members of this House, our territory should have 33% of forest, but in Telangana, there is only 24%. Forests have been used extensively for various needs. Due to this, the percentage of forests are decreasing. Industries, agriculture, construction of buildings. For such reasons, forests are being widely used. If this continues, the situation is likely worsen. Therefore, we urgently take some actions. We are already implementing some actions due to which the situation has improved somewhat. There is a need to implement it more effectively. Forest cutting stopped by making actions as strict as possible. Awareness about forest conservation should be created at the student level. If the situation does not change in the future, even fresh air will scarce and our future generations will not have forest, even essential needs also. Green Telangana by 2047 is my dream. For that I will take actions to ensure that the tree plant in every schools, house, hospitals and government places. 2047 Telangana, Green Telangana is my motto. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Speaker.
Now let's start with the moderate caucus. Now the floor is yours. And anybody wants to ask the question, raise the questions, they can raise the hands. Raise the question. Yes. Yes, proceed.
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, Minister of Environment, what does the Technology Clean and Green Energy Policy 2025 provide?
Honorable Chairperson, it provides a roadmap for electric, renewable camping, expansion, promoting local manufacturing and supporting electric mobility. Thank you.
Any questions? Raise your hands. Yes, proceed.
Good afternoon to the esteemed chair. So we have been receiving letters and we have seen a problem in the Hyderabad. The Hyderabad is becoming a populous city and the roads are getting insufficient. So we would like to suggest a solution for this. We would like to build buildings and roads at the outskirts of the Hyderabad so that the people would migrate to there and the roads will become sufficient. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, proceed.
Good afternoon to Honorable Speaker and other dignitaries. My Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highways. We did some research with the other dignitaries in ministry. We found some problems. Road issues in Telangana nowadays is blocking of roads. There are some people parking their vehicles on the roads. We are requested to solve this problem. We have a solution. We are take a decision on the road blocking issues. We will ask them to remove the vehicles from the roads. They are not listening. So we are planning to collect fine with them. They have to park their vehicles in allotted place for parking. Like this, we are trying to reduce the blockage of the roads. Thank you.
Any other questions? Yes, proceed.
Good afternoon, Honorable. How are forests linked to health?
Honorable Speaker,
Yes.
forests provide clean air, water and climate balance. Thank you.
Any questions? Raise your hands.
Respected Chair, I have one question for child labor. In which sector is most child labor found?
Yes, answer.
Agriculture is the largest employer of child labor globally, and the majority of child labor is in rural areas.
Yes, any questions?
Can you ask once again the question? This girl.
Are most child labor found? The largest employer of child labor globally, and the majority of child labor is in rural areas.
Yes, proceed.
So I would like to ask a question on Ministry of Women and Child Development. So how will they eliminate child labor? Thank you.
Yes, answer, concerned minister.
Main causes of child labor in India stem from deep-rooted poverty, lack of education, unemployment, rapid pollution, growth forcing children into survival, especially in agriculture due to inequality.
Yes, any questions from any ministry?
Honorable Chairperson,
Yes.
I have one question. Minister of Science and Technology, what has Telangana achieved in renewable energy?
Yes, proceed.
Honorable Chairperson, 1036 EV charging station were operational as of March 2025. Thank you.
Any questions? Yes, proceed.
Thank you. We are also planning to control speed limits of the vehicles, continue police petroleum on the highways, checking of the drunk and driving. We also planning to control on the focus light which are disturbing to the driver's side because they are focusing directly on the driver's eyes, which are one of the causes of accident. Thank you.
Yes, any questions from any ministry? Yes, proceed.
Why is forest conservation important for health?
It reduces pollution and diseases risks. Thank you.
Any questions from any other ministries? Now let us start the unmoderated discussions. Yes, now all of you take your seats. If any bills are there, respective ministries, they can proceed. Yes, raise your hands. Yes. Ministry of Roads. Yes.
Thank you. The bill of Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highways, regulations on congestion of roads and mitigation 2025.
Yes. The voting can be started. Those who are favor for bills, they can raise their hands. Yes. Bill passed unanimously. Thank you. And next ministry, any bill proposal is there? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, proceed.
Honorable Chairperson, my proposal for bill Green Telangana 2047 are planting of trees can change the future, take care of rivers that are not pollute, protection of lakes and tanks, save water, creating trees and cities, protection of forest, protection of minerals. Thank you.
Yes, who are the favorable for the bills, they can raise their hands. Yes, the bill was passed unanimously. And any other bills? Yes, proceed the Ministry of Electronics and Information.
Science and Technology.
Yes.
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, my proposal for Bill Green Telangana 2047, solar energy generated electric vehicle to replace the current vehicle, renewable energy will improvement, solar and wind for farmers, waste to energy as waste for energy generation, sustainable agriculture as for organizing farming, boost investment and increase job in the state, provide an affectable power. Thank you.
Yes. Those who are favor for bills, they can raise their hands. Yes. The bill passed unanimously. And any proposal from any other ministry? Yes. Any bill proposals? No? So, yes, this house has shown vision, leadership and responsibility. Youth are not the future, you are the present, shaping the future, and also they are the builders of our nation. And according to the youth opinion and their strong decisions, our nation's development is dependent. So that now the session stands adjourned. Thank you.
Saturday.